Two minds, one goal. Another banger dropping punny on head tops.
Yeah. As always, we appreciate you guys for tuning in for another one. Appreciate the likes, the comment, the shares, even the subscribes.
If you're following us on Instagram, you know that right now we have a bunch of you guys who've already started with the MMR course.
Yep. Also, I do want to say that we have a new Instagram. You guys should follow up. It's for the YouTube channel. It's for everything, you know.
Yeah, and you guys have been following like crazy. What's it on right now? Like on 10K followers?
The Insta?
Yeah.
I'm really not sure.
Yeah, it's up there. A lot of DMs have been coming in. Really appreciate you guys for what you guys have been, doing. A lot of you guys have already started your faceless content, and right here I'm going to drop a list on the things that you get if you join in on the MMR course. It's a lot of stuff. It's like
I told you guys.
We are now coming to 2025 to play, and we're making sure every single one of you guys on the Two Minds One Goal YouTube channel, you're following the movements. All of you are cashing in 2025.
Facts.
Bet that on my mama.
Facts.
Let's go straight into it.
Yeah, so like we said, you guys are gonna get you're gonna get faceless content. You know how you're gonna be able to do that, how to scale up your Instagram account, faceless reels. You're gonna learn email marketing, digital marketing, Instagram marketing, literally every single.
How to also create your own digital product.
How to create your own digital project. And if you guys just want to, lazy and just be lazy and like, you guys should just do this whole shit for me. We also have the way that you can resell what we've already, what we are actively.
We were skeptical about doing this because this is bringing competition into what we're doing, but we do not mind, sacrificing that for the betterment of you guys. And right now we've made a lot of money, and making more money doesn't really do anything to us. Yeah. But seeing other people, even just over the weekend, a lot of you guys got started, and that gave us a lot of joy. Seeing people getting started, people having their first sales. A lot of people made $500 in a single day, and that's what we're trying to tell you guys. This is the best way to make money right now in 2025. There are multiple ways right now that we're doing this, and everything is listed, so we can't really do many videos about it because we just kept it all in that single one place. So if you want to check it out, just hit the link in the bio. You can send us a DM and we'll put you through how you should basically go about. So let's go straight into the topic of today's videos. How can you actually scale your digital products to start earning you a passive? So when I say passive, this is more like you aren't doing anything. A passive income of about $500 to $1,000 every single week. Now $1,000 every single week won't do much for you. That's $3,000 every single month, depending on how old you are, what your bills look like,
and where you live.
For us, we were always striving to hit that 15K every single month. That's a good position where a lot of bills don't really mean much. You might go out on a date, or you might go out on a dinner and you spend $200. That's okay. That's not even that crazy of an amount. You can basically fit that bill, when you're earning, about 15K every single month, and you got rent. That's like probably 3 to 5K every single month, depending on where you live to as well, or what state you're in. So, or what country you're into as well. So whatever it is, just try and hit that mark of starting off an extra 3 to 5K every single month. It's not a bad thing. We should take baby steps, but if you've passed that stage, I'll just highly recommend that you just go all in. And we have some private members in our private group. Now we do not talk about that private group because it's only for top 6-figure business earners that can actually get in there. You have to be properly vetted before we can get you in there. If you want something like that, you have to book a one-on-one consultation where we see that you're actually serious and we can actually work with you, because we do not take anybody. And it's not only just about how much you can make. Do you have the right mindset, and are you going to be easy to work with? And can you easily adapt with our processes? So anyways, that's pretty much it. And let's go straight into today's video.
How you can scale your digital product.
So firstly, you need to identify what is going to be easier for you to sell and how you want to go about doing the marketing. How we actually push it out is you can do the faceless content, which has been popping off a lot. So you can have content created where you create it yourself, but you don't have to show your face. You could show your car, you can show whatever it is, or you can show yourself at your job, typing on your computer, whatever it is that you're selling. You could be selling how you got a job, or how this extra skill helped you to land a job or get a raise at your job. Even if it hasn't really gotten you that, the fact that thing, probably you learned a course on digital marketing, right? It has helped you to be able to put yourself out there. Now more people have been able to see you. There are ways you can put those words into a good sellable, in a sellable context, in a more highly perceived context, where these people now see, oh, you got this product that you have, and because you have this information. It's this information that you have that's given me the opportunity to see you right now. And that is basically what digital marketing is. Marketing digitally. It's marketing on the internet. So you basically have that, and you can put your face or you could not put your face. It's totally up to you. For us, for example, the way we say we've kept our face on brands, we own a clothing brand, and the clothing brand, we would just put our face on a, not all the time, but sometimes, but that's not even the reason why the brand is really popping up the way it is. It's popping off in Europe, it's popping off in Asia, it's also popping off in Africa too as well. So you basically decide how and what you're comfortable doing, and then you can move on to the next stage, which is how you want to push the content forward. Yeah, I think Daniel can go on with that, how you can go about that.
Yeah, so basically in digital marketing, the different ways that you do it, maybe like, working on social media, in social media, different social media platforms to help you push your digital products. The number one would actually be Instagram and TikTok. TikTok for the more organic side of things. Yeah. Instagram will give you more exposure. TikTok is kind of like hit and miss sometimes, but with your digital product, if you're able to persevere and just keep on posting on TikTok under the right sounds and keep using those neat tricks, which we cover in our in the MRR course, and the other digital products that are in that section, you can check it out. You see your TikTok virality stuff. If you want to do the TikTok thing, you have to just be persistent enough to use the right sounds to hop on different trending memes or different topics that are trending. So for example, if you were around during last year 2024 during the chill guy epidemic, you would have used the chill guy sound, and as well as one of the poses, you'd be like, when she calls me a bro guy, but I'm just a chill guy who's making money from his online digital product, or who's able to do with whatever. You see, you've used a chill guy meme to skyrocket your stuff. Or if you're going on to the end of the year of 2024, when Vex bolts was the thing that was popping, and the mass unfollowing, you'd be like, don't forget max unfollowing. You'd be like, don't forget max unfollowing to Vex bolts, blah 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 blah. Then you talk about your stuff, so that will help you get viral as well. So that's how you work on the TikTok side of things. Basically, TikTok is just a trend-based platform. So with TikTok, use the right sounds and the right hooks for the first 1.5 seconds to catch people's attention. Now for Instagram, on Instagram we actually have, so I will tell you some few things that you can put in place. Now this part is where, because Instagram is a very, very slow grind. It's slower than TikTok, and it's slightly even slower than YouTube. I might argue that fact that it's slower in the.
But one thing I do like about
on Reels.
Yeah, so with TikTok, and Instagram, it's very hard to actually, spoof where you're from and all that, and that's why we spent thousands of dollars to be able to find out how we can actually push out content to anywhere in the world that we wanted to, for basically zero cost. So that's part of what you get in the MMR course, and also in the I don't like calling it a course, bro. Yeah, I think we shouldn't call it.
No, it's actually the real name is the MRR Academy.
Yeah, the MRR Academy.
Full Digital something Academy.
Yeah, imagine we made a freaking academy and we don't know the name. Bro, we've got things to do. We've got businesses that we're running, physical and online businesses. So that's why we make our videos in the car, because it's a lot easier for us to just hop in while we're going, to different locations and all that. So the academy, you can get every single one of these things, and it makes things 10 times easier for you. Trust me. You're better off. We're giving you enough things you can use to start, but you're better off just saving yourself the stress and just join and get things easier for yourself.
Yeah. Right
now, you can have those courses, those the products that you can sell. You can have the website, you can have everything, how you're going to funnel everything, and within 2 days, even if you're very smart, if you're smart enough, like I assume every single person watching this video is, you can get it done in a day. And you can start making money in a day, because there are people who have done it, who actually did it over the weekends. So you can do it, and I believe you can. So yeah, whatever.
So yeah, that's basically it. So Instagram, those are the best ways to push your stuff. Now, we always operate in a certain area that most people will never touch, which is what we call the black hat. So a lot of you who are even watching this YouTube channel, you see that if you check our first video, is literally at like 600 views, gets 100 views every day, and it's only been a few days. And
we started this channel like 3 days ago.
Exactly. So although it's just in 20 subs, the viewership is increasing a lot in just 3 days that we've had this channel, and then we started posting. So literally we have a few tactics called black hat marketing. Now this black hat marketing is basically unconventional marketing to be able to utilize and maximize every single social media platform. Now what we did is that, because we use this for other businesses, we just got one of our employees to use one of the strategies, create an SOP. You see, now it's going to sound technical to you guys, but what we did is basically gave him just use one of the sources and do not put as much hours in, because it's going to affect his other tasks for the day, and just do YouTube on the side and put in some outreach in. And that's how we're getting a lot of subs. And then when YouTube are seeing that there's a lot of content coming in, you know, a lot of people watching this content from outside, then they're also recommending the channel as well.
I'm trying to take a picture for the thumbnail. Oh, all right. So yeah, that's basically how we did it, and we are actually using all these methods, like a combination of everything, into our business. And right now is the best time for you to get started, because I think we said it in one of the videos that 2025 is a huge money making year. And we do not know how long these social media platforms, you know, things change all the time. Even if they do change, we would always find a way, you know, to go through it. But right now things are very easy. This business module is not saturated in any way. So you guys need to hop on it as soon as possible. You can check it out, bro. There's everything for everyone. Just hit the link and just see what
you understand. What we're saying. Just check it and you understand what we're saying.
You know, our team kept a lot of work into this. We have teams all over the world. We have teams in Europe. We have teams in Slovakia. We have teams in Philippines. We have teams even in some parts of Africa too as well, and also in the States here. So you guys can actually see the effort that we've kept in, and you can actually see for yourself that we really mean business when we say that everybody in Two Minds One Goal community, we're going to be cashing checks 2025. And it starts now. 2025 has started, bro. So make sure those New Year's resolution, you want to buy that new car, you want to get that house, you want to go on that trip, you want to go on that vacation, you want to make that big spend, that big purchase.
You want to flex on these hoes.
It starts
flex on these hoes.
It starts with what you're going to do right now. It starts with the decisions that you're making, and you need to make the right decisions. You know, you need to get started. You don't have to do what we're doing. You don't even have to buy the course that we're telling you to buy, or join the academy, or join the consultation or the mentorships, or resell. You don't have to do any. Just do something, please. Do something. Especially
take action. Move.
Especially if you're a young guy, you're a young lady. You need your own zone. You need your own motion going on. So I really hope you guys gain a lot of value in today's video. I don't know if there's more that we can add to this video, but that's the thing. This business is not complicated at all. It's very easy. We could spice it up with big words, but it doesn't change the fact that all it is having a digital product and selling it online and getting a lot of people to see it, and that's it. That's literally it.
And the crazy thing is, literally, you do not have to worry about delivering of the product. It's already there. You don't have to brainstorm on what to do, on how to do it. Literally there, copy paste.
We've made money online before. I shared the screenshots back in the old video. We had screen recordings and also video recordings of when we hit 15K in a single week, and we did 5K in a freaking day from dropshipping. So we know what we're talking about when we say this is the best business that you can do, because we made big money with dropshipping, but you tend to also lose a lot of money in dropshipping. You're going to test products, you're going to lose products in freaking warehouses, you're going to lose products from customs. Some countries, they change their laws every single second.
The quality assurance
is bad. You cannot check what the quality of the products are before it's being shipped. Your suppliers could scam you. Customers could use fake banking cards to buy from you, and that messes you up because you've already paid your customers before you even got paid. You paid your supplier before you got paid the money, and now you're going to settle that issue with your bro. It goes on and on. This is the easiest business that we've ever done, and right now it is paying like heavy. It doesn't matter how old you are, it doesn't matter how young you are, you can get started with this business. You don't have to show your face for one. You don't have to put in that many hours. You don't have to have you don't have to find how to, get new skills, because we put everything in one place. You can now have those skills, and you could even teach people those skills as your digital products. So we have over 12 skills that you could learn, and from all those 12 skills you can make 12 digital products from us, but including the digital product we're going to assign to you. So guys, it's up to you to make the decision what you want to do. It's almost sounding like we're trying to pitch the academy, but we're trying to pitch you guys to just get started, because trust us when we say it was the best decision that we ever made starting this business, and we hope that you guys lock in with us in 2025. And so we have more money updates coming. If you have any suggestions with the new videos you want to see. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section. We're always going to be on the lookout.
All our links are in the bio, so in the description. Instagram and where to get the academy. Join the academy, get the ebooks. Also, we also have a free gift for you down there, how to boost yourself up on IG Reels, faceless Reels, a lot of sick shit. We got some free stuff down there too as well. So I'll probably talk more about it in the next video. Kind of losing time. Probably when we come out, I'll be back again.
Yeah. Peace.